What up, guys? It's Josh with DepriveD Productions. We're back in ARK Survival Evolved, day number 2 on the island. I've done a little remodel to my house. Check it out. You ever remodel your shack? Shacking. Inside's pretty sweet now. It's got a little more wood. Some windows here, so I can look outside if there's something out there trying to get me, and it can look back at me, and we can make firm eye contact. Look at my shack. Look at my birdie. I got a shack and a birdie. It's time to build a raft. I know it's dark. We got to get it done, man. So this is where I'll talk about another one of my mods that I've got. I've got what's called the raft extender, or the extended raft, or extender raft. Basically what's going on there is you can build the raft a little bit further than you used to be able to. Oh, what, you want some, bro? You want some of this? Oh, he does not want any. He does not want any of this. Yeah, heck yeah, we got a big old boat. What you want? What you want? What you want? What you want? Wait. I accidentally pissed off its brontosaurus. It was an accident, I tell you that. He's after me now, though, son. We are in serious trouble now. I'm just kidding. I can fly away. He can't catch me, but let me tell you what. He is pissed. Yeah, actually, now that it's daytime, we need to find ourselves a dino or two. Something that'll help us a little bit. Maybe a raptor, like over there. Maybe we can find a carnosaurus. We gotta trank them, though. We gotta take them down. Speaking of raptors, see, they're already on me, so I'm gonna have to take them down. I'm about to, oh no, oh God, oh God, not good, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay, we gotta hope to God we didn't lose our birdie. We gotta fly out there real quick, see if we can find him. Hopefully he was smart enough to run away, or maybe he killed him, I don't know. He's dead. We lost the birdie. We gotta at least try to go get my body, though. I got all those weapons, that hide armor. Oh, God. I'm getting stressed out. We're good. We're good. Nothing up here just yet. All right, there's my body. There's my body. Let's get a little closer. Wait for it. I don't see no raptors. We're getting a little closer. They might be... Oh. Oh, fudge. Oh. No. No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, let's try this again. And this time I got this pickaxe in my hand. I'm gonna chop him up. I'm gonna chop this one up. I'm just gonna kill this piece of... Are you... See, this is why people don't play this game. This is why no one plays it. It's one of those things. All right, this is it, last time. There's my first body. I don't care about that one. There's no green light. There's no raptors. There's no... Oh, what is that? Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, no! No! You got him. You don't got him. You don't got him. I hate my life. I hate my life, Dodo Bird. Help me hit my... why? Why are you gonna steal the only thing I have left? It's all I've got left. All right, last time, I'm going back up there one more time. I got my weapons. I got a full thing of hide armor. I'm taking these things down. And I'm getting my narc arrows back. I got like almost 30 of them. And I ain't picking no more dang berries. I see you right there. I'm not even scared of you, bro. I'm coming right in after you. You don't stand a chance. Get ready. I mean, you know, wait. As soon as I get up, bro, it's on. What's that? What? Well, you didn't make it? You didn't make it? Are you dead? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, say something now. Say something now. Any of you. All of it. All my stuff. Narc arrows. You name it. And then I pooped. But whatever. You know what? It's fine. Make fun of me if you want. I'm gonna go back down here and get moving. Oh! Oh no! What? No. Nope. 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 We're good. Wait a minute. This Therizinosaur is stuck. That means I could tame him. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm not gonna lie, if he gets out of there, it is over. Keep shooting him in the face. I don't know. I've shot all my arrows. It's not looking good. Oops, I let him go. But I didn't mean to. It was all just an accident. Oh, God. Oh, is he after me? Is he after me? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm getting away from him, I think. I can still hear him. I can still hear him coming after me. Okay, hold up. Oh no, leave me alone. Leave me alone, because I can't see. Is he coming after me? Is that him? No, it's not even him. I'm stressed out. Is he still? He's still coming. No, please. Oh, wait. Something got his attention. Oh God, something got his attention. Yeah, that's right. No. Oh no. No, I said something got your attention. Something got your attention. Remember? Something got your attention. Come on. Don't do it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. He can't get up here. He can't get up here. He's stuck right there. He can't get up here. But he can. But he can't get up here. Well, it's finally over. Well, it was worth trying. I got all my stuff. Let's regroup. Get some more narc arrows. And not go after wherever that thing went. Alright guys, I got a surprise. I got us a new birdie. Flight 35, the upgraded version. But he's only level 52 and that's not gonna cut it. Anyway, watch me take about 10 seconds and crank him up. Ready? Boom! 36 more levels. Cha-ching! Got pumping points in. Just pumping them. A little weight, a little melee damage, a little stamina, a little health. Mainly. I was gonna build this raft, son. I need all kind of wood, I know that. I need all kind of it, because you can't be scared of the wood. You know what I'm talking about? Wood. I'm gonna get some of it. I'm gonna get all of it. I might already got it. You know, since apparently I obviously don't know how to tame dinos very well, or just stay alive in general. I gotta get some more wood. Back at the wood, because I gotta get more of it, because I got more of it. You ever had too much wood? Nah, me. I'm a wood with you. I'm gonna get wood with you. You're gonna get wood with me. I mean, you know, and like I was saying, since I'm obviously no good at playing this game or catching dinos, and, you know, totally failed at that, I figured let's start building this boat. Got the campfire on here, put a little wood on it. I just want to let everybody know I just got all kind of wood. So, plenty to go around. If anybody's needing to get some of my wood. What is that? What is he doing? What is that? What is that? Is that a squirrel? I said your body is a porta potty. Check it out. The boat we have created out of wood. My wood and your wood. You know, I've got all this metal in here. I should probably make my metal weapons. What's that? Y'all hear me say something about metal weapons? A little metal hammer axe. We got a pike. Just stab people in the face. You can be scared. Little dino people. They're kind of trying to kill you. All kind of them. So many. I got a pike. I said it already once, I got that axe. Can't be scared of the axe. I got wood on it. I got a little wood. We've been talking about wood all day. And now I guess we're gonna be left with no choice but to try to find another dino. This guy's not gonna do it. You saw how well he took on them raptors. He didn't. He was dead. And so was I. We died together. But never again, Birdie. Never again. Oh, sorry. Boom, son. Stayed up all night and finished our boat. Got it all set up here. Got some little floors up here to land my birdies. So I can have them over here, you know what I'm saying? Leave him up top, her, whatever it is. Climb down my ladder. Not gonna lie, I kinda wanna go kill that thing. We're gonna take him down. Because we ain't scared. Take him down. Yeah. Whoa. We can handle it. We can handle the fly around here. Come on over here, bro. Oh, what happened there? You're done. You're done. Feeling good, guys. Got my house. Got this boat all built up real nice. You know what I'm talking about? We got it set up. We gotta go catch him a dino, bruh. We have to try again. But this time we ain't gonna mess up. We're gonna be more prepared. Trilobite. Take him down. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Let's get ready. We're gonna find us a good one. There's a big old egg. You like eggs? I'm about to fry this one. That's that giant dinosaur versus egg. I'm pretty sure if I take it, he's gonna get pissed. I ain't doing it. All right, dino time. Let's go. We're gonna leave home. Say bye, home. But we'll be back. Look at that raft from deep. That's what I'm talking about. The house looking good. Say bye for a little bit. There are some disgusting looking dinos down there, son. Taking a look at those things in the water. Oh my. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Let's get a close up of that. What is happening? Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, I am not. There is no way I am getting down there with those guys. My God. We're doing a little searching, we're just checking it out. You know what I'm talking about, looking around. Look at that. Look at that big old thing over there. That's where we go for the boss. The boss. Oh yes. Oh God. It's so beautiful. We're just flying around, man. It's just all pretty out here. Look at that water. It's just, oh! You got beef? What, you got beef, bro? You can't handle it? Giant crocodile ain't got nothing on my beef. You got that beef. We are out here now, bro. We are out here now. Oh ho ho! Spino! I'll tell you what, if I could get him, we'd be good when it comes to like jumping in the water and grabbing some fish. Oh hey, bro. Are you scared? You scared of it? Walk away, bruh. You know. What? What? What is it? I was just, huh? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Not good. So bad. So bad. So bad. So bad. I can't lose the birdie again, guys. I can't lose another birdie. I'm going after him. It's gonna be quite the truck. So get ready. Let's book it. So far, so good. The birdie isn't dead, but I'm not sure exactly where we were. I gotta make sure I don't run into one of them crazy looking alligator things. Look, there's the Spino. I'm gonna try to whistle at my bird. Is that you up there flying in the air? Look, my birdie. We gotta, how do I get across? Can I get across the water? Guys, we're gonna have to go through the water. Oh, nope. Nope. No. No, 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 no. Okay, we gotta think. All right, we're going around. We're going around. We are gonna get my birdie. What is that? It's a mech parasaur. What in the crud? I would really like to tame him. Oh, wait. We gotta go get Flight 35 or whatever his name was. I already forgot. I name him Flight because that's kind of what they are, and I kind of give each type of one a nickname, and then basically the base level they were, so I kind of have an idea when I'm leveling up where they started. That gives me an idea. Look at him. Look, that's him. I know you hear me, baby. Come on, baby. I'm right here. I got you. I got you. Oh, baby. Come to daddy. Come to daddy, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna get it all back. I'm gonna get it all back. Grab everything and get out of the water. Get out of the water. You stay away with killer fish. What in the world? What is happening? What are you running from, bro? What's wrong? What? Why is everybody running? What's? Oh! Oh! Get! Oh! Oh my God! I literally just had like a slight panic attack. Oh my God! It's getting dark. Oh my God! There's the Spino. Oh my God! I can't see. Oh my God! I'm running out of stamina. Oh my God! I'm gonna die. Guys, I think we're gonna have to head back home. So yeah, but guess what? We're back home. Everything's gonna be fine. Nobody died. I mean, we died, but we got it back. We got it back. What is that, one of them chickens? Hey, what's up, chicken? What you doing, bro? Huh? I'm just trying to help you out. I'm just trying to help you out, man. I got on one of these corn dogs. You want one of these corn dogs? We're back home and it's dark again. Still got this crossbow. Still got most of my arrows. Not 100% sure what we should do now that it's dark. What's going on with them red eyes, bro? You high? What? Get high, bro. You been smoking on that puff puff? All right, guys, well, that's it for day 2. We've got all kind of stuff done. Not really. We built a raft and got our butts kicked for a real long time, but guess what? That means we just got a lot to do on day 3, so until then, I'm going to stare out this window. See you next time.